we're gonna go to, what's that place? Salvation Army, where Crystal got M's table yesterday. It is 50% off. Oh, I just hit my phone. Of furniture and exercise equipment.
Well, I hope it. I don't know if it is still today.
Why is this hard as a brick? What is this?
I saved that for you. I got it on Friday.
You got this bagel on Friday, you saved it for me and left it in the car. It's still good.
They came around. Hey, we're delivering Panera bagels.
Panera did?
Yeah, that's Panera.
They came around? They're just delivering bagels?
Yeah. Promoting that they now deliver for breakfast that you didn't used to.
Oh.
So you can now get Panera breakfast delivered. FYI. Texas Roadhouse brings us rolls.
For real?
Oh, are you kidding me?
They just bring you rolls?
Yeah, it's called a roll run.
You don't call for it. They're just like,
No,
hey.
They come by with a thing of rolls, dozen.
Dang.
I want to go to Dollar Tree first to get the stuff.
Yeah, we can do that.
That huge Wegmans is going to be right there.
Oh yeah, they're building a Wegmans right here. I'm finishing eating this bagel.
It's going to be
We grabbed the rest of the pot stickers that they had in there. We're gonna have to, because Em eats them, and mostly just that. No, she eats other things, she just likes them so much, and we gotta keep them in stock, because then when they run out, and we don't have them for a while, Em's not happy. Apparently Landon made a few requests before we left the house. What is the request, Crystal?
He said, I want gummy worms, but I want gummy worms only from 7-Eleven.
Sorry kid, you are getting gummy worms from Dollar Tree. We're out of here, I think. We always get extra stuff. Did you buy anything extra this time? I did. I got this, 2 chocolate, and 2 energy drinks. Did you get anything extra?
No, nothing in here is for me. That's how mom's life is. Hashtag mom life.
No, yeah.
The dog got 4 bags of treats. Sorry.
So where to now if they're closed? Are we going anywhere else?
Big thrift.
There's a thrift store across the street. We are home and I've been snacking all day. I don't think I've actually eaten any real food.
Want me to make you the grilled chicken salad?
Ooh, you know what? I am gonna make one of those salads. Still raining. We're waiting for Chris's parents to come over because they're gonna see Em for her birthday. It's a gloomy day. It's Sunday. This is my only day off.
We're back home. You kept Grandpa Dana in here the whole time.
Were you here the whole time?
Yep.
How about Yeye? Come on.
I love you.
Is that how tall she is?
I know.
She's as tall as Crystal.
Yeah, almost.
I know. You want to show your new room? Come on. Go. Go. They're called singamalings.
Oh. This is the one I would like to keep an on. There were 8 of them.
Yeah. And then if you hold that thing down, it sings the whole song. And then you squeeze. And then it's it's so weird.
Yeah.
She loves us. Can you read what it says here?
Okay. Enjoy every beautiful sweet moments.
Oh, you gotta finish it. Love.
Love, Grandma Clark. Grandpa June.
And what does it say?
Happy birthday, Emelina.
Very good.
Nice.
Ooh. Let's see.
That's long enough.
Wow.
This is long enough because she's so long.
I know, she's so long.
I
Look,
guess-
Em.
Oh.
She's
Emelina, look how cute these
Yeah,
are for
these
the
clothes,
summer.
for some years. That's
Ooh,
I
what's
think this one she can still use this after.
You can decorate your room, Em. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh, Em.
Good hair day.
What do you say, Em?
Thank you.
And give a hug and kiss. Give a hug and kiss. Say thank you for my presents.
I love you, honey.
Still hungry.
I know, babe, you're hungry.
You got your hair firm or something?
Ah!
See, oh, look at his multiple.
Say, mommy.
Bye.
No.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you too.
Say bye.
Bye.
Lena, where are you going?
That's much tall as you now.
I know.
And we don't have the legs.
How about you? How tall are you now? Let me see.
Too slow.
I have a
Bye, honey.
Look, these.
Uh-huh.
She said bye, honey.
Oh my god. No, watch.
There.
See what Ate did? Remember? You grabbed the hand. There you go.
Say, mama.
Look at M's happy.
All right. Love you. Bye-bye. Okay, guys.
Thank you so much.
Left hand challenge. We're gonna see who has better handwriting with the left hand. Crystal seems to think she does.
I never said.
What?
You just were like, but it's not good.
I said I bet mine's better.
No.
I said I bet mine's better. That's what I said. I said yes.
no.
You
No.
can't do sample writing with your right hand first. That's cheating. Uh-oh. Wait, your handwriting might be better. I'm rethinking this challenge. Never mind, you win. Ow, man. He just threw my socks at my neck. Ooh, that looks tough, Crystal. That looks tough. It's tough to beat. Can I take 30 minutes to write this?
What the heck? You see how fast I wrote that? I wrote that in 2 seconds.
Oh, I gotta go this way. I gotta stretch.
What the heck
gotta do-
is this?
I gotta
I
do-
wrote mine in 2
I
seconds.
gotta do some left hand stretches.
I wrote mine in 2 seconds.
I'm doing a breathing exercise with my hand.
This is so dumb.
You're dumb. Am I writing Tony? It's only 4 letters. Because either it's way shorter than your name or it's way longer than your name. It's Tony or for Anthony. I'll go with Anthony. I'll do Anthony.
That looks exactly like your other one.
See? It looks exactly like my right hand, right? That means yours doesn't look anything like your right hand. Therefore, ipso facto, I don't even know what that means. I win.
That doesn't look bad.
Huh? It doesn't look bad. No, it doesn't. But you forget when my right hand was broken, I was writing with my left hand, so I got a little bit of practice. I'm just a little bit out of practice. How many years ago was that? That was before Landon was born. So that was 5 years ago now. I broke my right hand. So I had to write with my left hand. So I had a little bit of practice with it. Landon, what are you doing? Are you still throwing my socks?
No.
Wait, are you throwing socks? What are you doing? Oh, I see socks! Oh! That almost hit the phone. It like whizzed right by.
That's how I would write your name in cursive.
Let me see.
Hey.
Can I see how I write my name in cursive? Cursive? Ow! Jesus! He's pegged me in the face! Ah. Ugly. Super ridiculously just ugly. Cursive. You know what's crazy? If you... Landon... He keeps hitting me in the face. If you find a signature of mine from when I was like 10, it looks exactly the same as it does now.
Oh my god.
It's pretty bad. Once I got to high school and they told me I didn't have to write in cursive anymore, I was like, good, and I stopped writing in cursive.
I'll make sure to put, when we get in the car right now, I'll put my lotion on.
Oh.
My skin's so dry.
You want to try some of that cream? That's what I've been putting on my face.
You have been?
Yeah, and using that new Landon's lotion.
It's okay.
It doesn't say it's non-comedogenic, but it keeps my voice, keeps my face nice and moist. I said foist, because I say face and moist.
Okay. I use mine.
Alright, we are on our way to get some sushi. We'll be leaving the kids here with Dana for a bit. Because, stepping on toys. We're out of here.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
It looks like it's raining a lot, but it doesn't feel like a lot on my head. Maybe it's really light.
Don't put enough
off our bed.
Oh, someone's picking up M's old mattress tomorrow. Cool. Sweet deal. Get rid of it and not have to wait for them to pick it up. You're gonna have to lean over, babe. There's something wrong with the lock on her passenger side door. And even though Crystal hits the unlock on her, what's that called? Her key fob. It'll unlock, but it's not unlocked. Like, you can't open it, so. Yeah, it's been having issues with it. He's gotta get it fixed, I guess. So she has to actually lean over, and then I can't open it from the outside, but it'll open from the inside for some reason.
Yeah.
It's been raining all freaking day. Let's go. Hey everybody, it is the next day, and as you can see, it is still raining. It's been raining all night. I heard it all night. Supposedly it's supposed to snow tonight, possibly tomorrow, but I think even if it does, it's probably gonna be sleet. I haven't checked the weather since like 3 days ago. We're on our way to drop Landon off at Grandma's house. He's sad because he doesn't want to go. Unfortunately, I can't stay home on my way to work, and it's a beautiful Monday. But I think that's going to end it for the vlog. I didn't record anything else last night because I was working on Landon's birthday vlogs and uploading some videos to my laptop so I can work on the next ones. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today, guys. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you aren't already. And hit the bell icon to get notifications when we post new videos. We will catch you guys in the next vlog.